Taekwondo is more than just a sport. It's a profound expression of human capability and cultural heritage. It's a discipline that demands not only physical prowess, but also mental fortitude and unwavering respect. It's the living story of Korea, woven into every movement, every stance, and every strike. It echoes through the ages, connecting the past with the present. From ancient warriors defending their homeland against invaders, honing their skills in the face of adversity, to Olympic athletes showcasing their mastery on the world's biggest stage, pushing the boundaries of human potential, Taekwondo's journey is one of resilience, adaptation, and continuous transformation. It's a testament to the power of dedication and the pursuit of excellence. Born from the necessities of war as a means of self-preservation and defense, it evolved into a philosophy of discipline, respect, and peace, emphasizing not only physical combat, but also mental and spiritual growth. It's a global language, connecting millions worldwide through shared values and a common pursuit of self-improvement. The dazzling kicks, the precise forms, and the breathtaking techniques we see today are deeply rooted in centuries of survival adaptation and the unwavering determination to overcome adversity. Through countless invasions, periods of intense political turmoil, and significant cultural shifts that have reshaped the Korean peninsula, Taekwondo has not only endured but has also flourished, becoming a symbol of national pride and cultural identity. It stands as a powerful testament to the unbreakable spirit of its people, their resilience, and their unwavering commitment to preserving their heritage. In the aftermath of the devastating Korean War, as the nation began to rebuild, a new generation of visionary leaders and martial arts masters unified the diverse traditions, codifying the techniques and principles. This unification gave birth to the modern art we know and love today, a synthesis of ancient wisdom and contemporary athleticism. Today, Taekwondo is practiced globally, transcending borders and cultures, uniting people from all walks of life. It's celebrated not only for its breathtaking athleticism and dynamic movements, but also for its profound ability to build confidence, instill discipline, and cultivate strong character in its practitioners. It's far more than just a means of self-defense or a competitive sport. It's a powerful symbol of human potential, a testament to what can be achieved through dedication, perseverance, and unwavering belief in oneself. The story of Taekwondo, from its ancient roots to its modern, global presence, is a testament to the enduring power of the human spirit, its capacity for resilience, and its unwavering pursuit of excellence. Taekwondo's roots stretch back far beyond the modern dojongs and international competitions we see today. Its origins are deeply intertwined with the very fabric of Korean history. To Korea's ancient kingdoms, a time of constant change, innovation, and, unfortunately, conflict. These kingdoms, vying for power and survival, fostered a culture where martial prowess was not just valued, but essential, where martial arts were essential for survival, not merely a sport or a form of exercise, but a vital skill for protecting oneself, one's family, and one's nation. The ability to defend against invaders and maintain order within the kingdom was paramount. The Hwarang, Silla's elite warriors, were more than just soldiers. They were the embodiment of the kingdom's ideals, trained in combat, ethics, and the arts, creating a holistic warrior skilled not only in swordsmanship and hand-to-hand combat, but also in poetry, music, and philosophy. They were expected to be leaders, scholars, and protectors of the realm, embodying loyalty and courage, virtues that defined their service and shaped their actions on and off the battlefield. Their dedication to their king and their comrades was unwavering, values still central to Taekwondo. The emphasis on respect, discipline, and perseverance in modern Taekwondo schools directly reflects the Hwarang's code of conduct. Subak, an early form of unarmed combat, predates even the Hwarang, offering a glimpse into the raw, practical fighting methods of ancient Korea. Was practiced by both soldiers and commoners, providing a means of self-defense for all members of society, regardless of their social standing. It was a vital skill in a world where danger lurked around every corner, emphasizing powerful strikes and grappling techniques designed to quickly and effectively neutralize an opponent. These techniques laid the groundwork for many of the strikes and grappling maneuvers found in modern Korean martial arts. Ancient murals show these early martial practices, providing valuable insights into the techniques and the importance of martial arts in daily life. These arts were deeply woven into Korean culture, influencing everything from military strategy to artistic expression. They were an integral part of the Korean identity. Korea's rugged landscape, with its steep mountains and winding valleys, played a significant role in shaping the development of its martial arts. Shaped martial techniques, favoring agility, flexibility, and the ability to generate power from a stable base, favoring strong legs and dynamic kicks, allowing warriors to strike from a distance and maintain balance on uneven terrain. Soldiers trained to fight in diverse environments, mastering techniques that could be adapted to any situation. With and without weapons, becoming proficient in swordsmanship, archery, and hand-to-hand combat, relying on their bodies as their last defense, transforming themselves into living weapons capable of defending against any threat. Martial arts were a matter of national survival, a crucial element in protecting the Korean peninsula from constant threats and invasions, forging a warrior ethos that endures today, a spirit of resilience, determination, and unwavering commitment to excellence. This legacy of strength and resilience, passed down through generations of warriors and martial artists, became the foundation for Taekwondo, shaping its techniques, its philosophy, and its enduring appeal. The spirit of old Korea, with its rich history and unwavering dedication to martial excellence, lives on in every kick and stance, a testament to the enduring power of tradition and the unwavering spirit of the Korean people. The Joseon dynasty brought both change and preservation to Korean martial arts. Despite a focus on scholarship, the threat of invasion kept martial training vital. The Muerebo Tongji, a comprehensive military manual, codified 24 martial disciplines, including Kwambiak, precursor to modern Taekwondo techniques. Training in nature honed agility and powerful kicks, while Neo-Confucian values shaped martial philosophy. As firearms rose, martial arts faded from the spotlight but survived in secret, passed down by dedicated masters. This quiet preservation kept the ancient knowledge alive for future generations. The seeds of modern Taekwondo were sown in this era of adaptation and resilience. The 20th century tested Korea's spirit as Japanese occupation suppressed native martial arts. Yet, Korean masters kept their traditions alive, blending them with techniques learned abroad. After liberation, martial arts schools, kwans, emerged, each with unique styles but a shared goal, reviving Korean identity. General Choi Hong-hee, a visionary leader, unified these schools, developing a new art based on science and efficiency. In 1955, the name Taekwondo, the way of the foot and fist, was chosen, marking a new era. This was more than a name. It was a declaration of cultural independence. Modern Taekwondo was born, blending ancient roots with modern innovation. It became a symbol of Korea's resilience and unity. With its identity established, Taekwondo needed unity. General Choi created 24 patterns, each honoring Korean history, and formalized the belt system to motivate students of all ages. The art shifted from battlefield techniques to a structured sport, introducing sparring and tournaments. Protective gear and clear rules made Taekwondo accessible and exciting, fueling its popularity. Beyond competition, Taekwondo emphasized personal growth through its 5 tenets: courtesy, integrity, perseverance, self-control, and indomitable spirit. The goal was to shape not just fighters, but disciplined, confident individuals. This holistic approach set Taekwondo apart from other martial arts. Its blend of tradition, sport, and philosophy made it a global phenomenon. Taekwondo became a way of life for millions. Taekwondo's pioneers dreamed of sharing their art worldwide. Demonstration teams traveled the globe, captivating audiences with dynamic kicks and board-breaking feats. American soldiers and Korean immigrants spread Taekwondo to new continents, opening schools and building communities. The founding of the ITF and World Taekwondo created a global infrastructure, standardizing rules and promoting international competition. Taekwondo's appeal to youth, with its exciting techniques and clear progression, fueled explosive growth. Parents valued its discipline and confidence building, making it a top after-school activity. Today, Taekwondo thrives in over 200 countries, practiced by millions. Its global journey is a testament to the art's universal appeal. Taekwondo's high-flying kicks made it a star in movies, TV, and video games. Films like Best of the Best and characters in Tekken and Power Rangers showcased its dynamic style, inspiring countless fans. These pop culture moments made Taekwondo instantly recognizable and cool to new generations. The art's unique kicks set it apart from other martial arts on screen. This visibility boosted enrollment in dojangs and became a source of national pride for Korea. Taekwondo's presence in media helped cement its identity as a distinct global martial art. Every on-screen kick celebrated Korean culture and inspired future practitioners. The year was 1988 and the world was watching Seoul. It was here, amidst the vibrant energy of the Summer Olympics, that Taekwondo made its grand debut as a demonstration sport. This marked the beginning of an incredible journey for the Korean martial art on the world's biggest stage. This initial appearance was more than just a showcase. It was a turning point, a pivotal moment that would forever alter the trajectory of Taekwondo. It was an opportunity to demonstrate its unique blend of power, precision, and discipline to a global audience. The demonstration matches were electrifying, showcasing its athleticism to the world. Spectators were captivated by the dynamic kicks, the strategic footwork, and the sheer determination of the athletes. It was clear that Taekwondo possessed a unique appeal that resonated with people from all walks of life. Years later, the dream became reality. Official inclusion in the 2000 Sydney Games cemented Taekwondo's place in Olympic history. This was the moment it transitioned from a demonstration sport to a fully recognized and medal-contending event. This milestone marked its arrival as a premier global sport, instantly elevating its status and attracting a new wave of participants and enthusiasts worldwide. The Sydney Olympics would forever be remembered as the birthplace of Olympic Taekwondo. Olympic status drove athletes to new heights, pushing them to train harder, refine their techniques, and develop innovative strategies. The pursuit of Olympic glory became the ultimate motivator. The competition intensified, with faster, more strategic matches becoming the norm. Athletes began to incorporate more complex combinations and tactical maneuvers into their fighting styles. To ensure fairness and accuracy, electronic scoring systems were introduced, revolutionizing the way matches were judged. These systems provided instant feedback and eliminated much of the subjectivity that had previously plagued the sport. Major tournaments now attract elite competitors from every corner of the globe, all vying for a chance to prove their skills and earn a coveted spot on the Olympic stage. These high-stakes matches are not just contests of strength and skill. They are dazzling displays of speed, where lightning-fast kicks and punches are executed with breathtaking precision. They showcase raw power, as athletes unleash devastating strikes that can change the course of a match in an instant. And they demand tactical brilliance, requiring competitors to anticipate their opponent's moves, exploit weaknesses, and adapt their strategies on the fly. Yet, amidst all the intensity and competition, the core values of respect and discipline remain central, the very foundation upon which Taekwondo is built. As a symbol of this enduring tradition, athletes bow before and after every match, demonstrating their respect for their opponent, the judges, and the art itself. The Olympic platform has served as a powerful catalyst, spreading Taekwondo's philosophy of self-improvement, discipline, and respect. This philosophy has resonated deeply with people around the world, introducing Taekwondo to a global audience and inspiring countless individuals to embrace its principles. The journey to Olympic gold is a grueling test of physical and mental fortitude, demanding unwavering perseverance and iron-willed self-control. In achieving this feat, athletes are not only winning medals, but also embodying the art's core tenets of respect, discipline, and perseverance. Ultimately, Taekwondo is more than just a medal chase. It transcends the realm of competition and becomes a journey of self-discovery and personal growth. It's a celebration of human potential, a testament to what can be achieved through dedication, discipline, and the pursuit of excellence. Its Olympic legacy continues to inspire millions of aspiring athletes and martial artists around the world. They are driven to pursue excellence, not just in Taekwondo, but in all aspects of their lives, carrying the values of the art with them wherever they go. Taekwondo's evolution continues, embracing technology and new ways to connect. Online learning, social media, and even virtual reality are making training more accessible and interactive. Esports and digital platforms may soon bring Taekwondo to new audiences, blending tradition with innovation. Yet, its heart remains the same, a path to personal growth and self-mastery. The 5 tenets guide practitioners in life, building confidence, discipline, and respect. Taekwondo's legacy is not just in history books, but in every student who steps onto the mat. It bridges cultures, empowers individuals, and inspires resilience. The journey of Taekwondo is far from over. It continues with every kick, every bow, and every new generation. Thank you for viewing this documentary. Comment, like, share, and subscribe. Hit the post notification button to ensure you receive info on the next video.